This place is amazing and you've probably never heard about it. It's a small town in the southern part of Switzerland called Ascona. The population is about 5,500 people and this is the city where I grew up. I probably had one of the nicest childhoods you can have. I mean, come on, how can you not like a place like this one? You have the lake, you have nature, you have everything a child could dream of. And then suddenly, as a teenager, I didn't like it anymore. Probably as every teenager, I was angry to the world, I don't know why. But the only thing I wanted was to get away from here and explore the world. And that's what I did the past 4 years. As you've probably seen from my channel, I've traveled the world and I visited so many countries that I've lost the count. And here comes the fourth stage of my life. Everything comes back. And once again, I appreciate this amazing and beautiful town. And that's why I wanted to make a video about it. So if there is one message in this video, it's that opinions change and life is made out of different stages. And as you grow, your opinions change. So this is once something I didn't appreciate, but now I'm very thankful and I love it every time I come back here. When I go to New York, yes, I like New York, but there's so much people there. There's so much noise, there are so many lights, there is so much going on, and I feel almost like a little bit violated. My senses are a little bit violated. So every time I come back here, I appreciate it even more. Amazing. And I bet that if you are from a small town like me, you can relate to this feeling. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.